I walk to the bus stop. It's cold this morning. I can see my breath. But I like the morning air. The sky is getting lighter now, pink and orange. It's beautiful. I wait for the bus. The bus comes at 6:30. Every morning, 6:30. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I say good morning to the driver. I sit by the window. I look outside. People are starting their day, going to work, to school. The bus ride takes 20 minutes. 20 minutes to the hospital. I listen to music sometimes, or I just think. I think about my day. The bus stops. I get off. Thank you, I say. I walk to the hospital, the big white building. I work here every day. I go through the main door. I say hello to the security guard. Good morning, Emma, he says. Good morning, I reply. I walk to the staff room. I put my bag in my locker. Number 27, my locker. I take out my stethoscope. I put it around my neck. I wash my hands. Carefully. Always wash hands first. I look at the schedule. Floor 3, room 301 to 310. My patients for today. I take a deep breath. Okay, let's start. I walk down the hall. The morning shift begins. I check each room. I visit my patients. Good morning, Mr. Brown.
Oh, good morning, Emma.
How are you feeling today?
I'm okay, I think. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Did you sleep well?
Yes. Yes, I slept well. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thank you for asking. Now, let me check your temperature.
Check my temperature. Okay.
Open your mouth, please. Under your tongue.
Under my tongue. Like this?
Perfect. Just wait. Okay, all done. Your temperature is normal. 36.7.
36.7. Normal. That's good.
Yes, that's very good. Now I need to check your blood pressure.
Blood pressure. Okay.
I'll put this cuff on your arm. Is it too tight?
No, it's fine.
Good. Stay still for a moment. Okay, 125/80. That's good, Mr. Brown.
125/80. Good numbers.
Yes, you're doing well.
Hi, Emma. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Do you work every day? Every single day?
No, not every day. I work 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, usually.
5 days a week. And the weekend? Saturday and Sunday?
On the weekend, I rest. I stay home. I relax.
You relax. Good, good. What do you do when you relax?
Well, I sleep late. Maybe until 8 or 9 o'clock?
8 or 9 o'clock? That's sleeping late for you.
Yes, for me, that's very late. Then I make a big breakfast. Eggs, fruit, coffee.
A big breakfast. Sounds delicious. Better than toast.
Much better than toast. Then maybe I go for a walk or I read a book.
A walk, reading, nice and quiet. Do you have family here in the city?
My mom lives here. I visit her on Sundays. We have lunch together.
Lunch together.
Hmm,
That's wonderful. Family is important.
very important. What about you, Mr. Brown? Does your family visit you?
My daughter comes. She comes on Wednesdays and Saturdays. We talk, we laugh.
That's lovely. I'm glad she visits.
Me too. You know, Emma, you're like family too. You take care of me every day.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. That's very kind. You're like family to me, too.
I know, I know. I'm curious. I like to know about your life. You take care of me. I want to know about you.
That's very sweet. Okay, I need to check your medicine now.
My medicine. Okay.
Okay, you take 2 pills after breakfast. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast. Not as good as your toast, maybe.
I'm sure it was fine. Here are your pills and water.
Thank you, Emma. All done.
Good. I'll come back later to check on you.
Okay. Thank you. Emma,
Yes?
you're a good nurse. You're very kind.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. That means a lot to me. Finally, lunchtime. It's 12:30. I'm tired. My feet hurt. I open my lunchbox. Today I have a sandwich, chicken sandwich, and an apple. I eat slowly. I try to relax. Just 30 minutes. 30 minutes to rest. I drink water. I check my phone. A message from my mom. She always checks on me. I text her back. I'm fine, eating lunch now. She sends a heart. The cafeteria is busy. Doctors, nurses, everyone eating quickly. We all need energy. The afternoon is long. I finish my sandwich. I eat my apple. Slowly, bite by bite. I look at the clock. 12:50. 10 more minutes. I close my eyes for a moment. Just breathe. I think about Mr. Brown. He always makes me smile. Time to go back. I throw away my trash. I wash my hands again. I walk back to the floor. Here we go. Afternoon shift.